Everybody loves dog. So I like to tell people that I'm working on the dogs of the plant world. So everybody knows that a Great Dane and a Chihuahua are a dog, but not everybody knows that broccoli, cauliflower, kale, kohlrabi, Brussels sprouts are one species, Brassicolaria. We're quite interested in understanding what genes underlie the different morphological traits. So if you want to have a conversation with people about the genetic basis of X, dogs are a great place to start.
What if plants replaced dogs as the dominant pet? What would it look like? How would they eat?
Good boy.
How would you walk them? We'll explore this world in Dogs of the Plant World.
It's weird. I saw these vegetables for years in the grocery store produce section and didn't think twice about them. A while ago, I was reading something about the work that the Piers Lab does at Mizzou about how broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are all actually the same species. After hearing all that, I made my decision to get rid of my dog Winston and got Curly the cabbage here. Fetch!
I really like these plants, but there's definitely room for improvement. I've been talking to people at the Piers Lab at Mizzou to help me make a better plant. With the latest technology and genetic information, they can potentially breed plants that are healthier, bigger, and resistant to heat and disease. I'm hoping they can make me a super broccoli.
So this is my kohlrabi, Drogo. I found him on the side of the road all helpless, and I just had to pick him up. I actually didn't know what he was for the first few weeks. They're so hard to tell apart when they're young. You just have to wait for the defining features to come in. I kept the pictures of him growing up and put them in this album. Here's a picture when he was 4 weeks old. You can see the roots start to swell up.
We just have like very different tastes. We have a hard time compromising a lot of the time. Yeah, that's the problem with dogs. They're just so boring. There's no like difference in them. With 2 eyes, 2 ears, 4 legs. We need more flexibility.
Now, I get the nice cuddly leaves of my kale. Kale Earnhardt. Come here, Joan! Aww. And she can curl up on the couch and watch Pretty Little Liars with her cauliflower. You just can't get that diversity with dogs.
Bad cow, you know better than that.
Plants might not be our pets, but their natural variation is important for how we can try to solve problems confronting agriculture.
So in terms of applications to make a heart-healthy broccoli, you have to really think about, well, what traits are you going to optimize, and then what are the trade-offs? How do you find the genes that underlie the traits that we're interested in? We'd like to start off with what's naturally out there in the world. In a way, we can study natural variation to see what the range of possibilities are out there. I think these are the kind of things that we're going to do that are applied.